Hi friends, I welcome you all to yet another part. Now I'm going to showcase to you the steps as to how to append a list with numbers. Okay, now this is where I'm entering right now. Now before I could showcase to you the practical implementation or the steps as to how to proceed further, let us understand what we mean by append. Okay, now here it means that adding another object to the existing list itself. Now addition is towards the end of the list. Remember that when we are appending something, a list which is given to us, the object would be added and it would be present towards the end of the list that I have created. It is always within the brackets, it is not outside the brackets. Remember this one. Entire list is showcased in the output pane that we are going to check it out. Now in the next one that you're going to see is the second example. The first example that I've showcased is to how to create a list, and now that you should remember. Now here I'm going with the second example as to how to append the list. Now here you will see that I have already created using the small l that represents the list, and it has got three numeric objects in it, which is 3, 4 and 5. And then I go ahead and I am checking out with the output. Later on I have to append it, therefore I'm going to write l dot append brackets open. Now here remember, it is not the square brackets, I'm using the small brackets. Okay, and then I'm entering the new number 1 out here, and then I enter. I go to the next line of my coding part, I would say, and there you can simply enter l and run the program in order to get the output. Now let us see as to how exactly it takes place in the Colaboratory also. Now here you will see that I have entered, which is I have showcased to you in my earlier I should say video, wherein I have shown you how to create it. Now here we have got this one. Now slowly next line you can go ahead and you can now enter, and then you can copy paste or you can key the words like I'm doing it. L dot, you can write it, then it would be append, open the simple brackets, and whatever you want to introduce the number. I have taken up 1 here, so I'm going to do it and close the bracket. In the next line I'm going to write l, that means show me what is present in my list. Okay, so once I run the code, okay, either using this run button which is present in the coding section itself, or by keying the words control and enter, I'll see immediately you will get the output. Let us see how it is right now. Square brackets open, 3, which is my first object in the original list which I have created already, comma, space 4, comma, space 5, comma, and now you can see that 1 has come in. Okay, in my other video I'll just show it to you as to if I choose some other number, how can I append and what is the result I'm going to get it. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.